Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a virtual STEAM experiment, a science experiment that we call as elephant's toothpaste. Hello class. Today we're doing a virtual STEAM experiment. A science experiment is what you call as the elephant's toothpaste experiment. So first things first, wear your safety goggles, or in your case, your sunglasses. You decide if you're going to do this experiment inside the house or outside. Currently, I'm outside, but make sure that you have all the materials. Get the Ziploc that I told you to bring to this experiment. I have here my warm water. This is an empty tray, plastic tray. You can use any large tray or bean or foil tray, your call, and something to cover up the table. It can be a short towel or what's this, newspapers, and don't forget the spoon. Okay. Okay, class, say hi. Hi. Okay, so we're going to do today the elephant's toothpaste experiment. So for the first part, this is the water bottle, and we're going to pour in, can you read this? Hydrogen peroxide. So just be very careful, people. So all of it. Careful. Just put that outside. And then let me just put 3 to 5 drops of the watercolor. So can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5 drops would be okay. So class, all of you will be getting different colors. And then this is now the dish soap. It can be any dish soap. So it says there, put in a large squirt. Squirt means a big push. Okay, I did 1 big push. And that's for the first part. So this already pre-measured, so 3 teaspoonfuls of warm water. And then all of the dry yeast. So mix. And it would turn, what's the color here? My young assistant, what is this? Kind of like light brown, right? So after this, let's do the experiment now, the mixing process. It's really, truly very simple. Just watch me. Here, so let's now, 1, 2, 3, pour. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Pour slowly the mixture of the warm water and the yeast into this water bottle container. So what do you think will happen, class? So watch and see. Focus now on this one. See what's happening. See what's happening. See what's happening. What's happening? Whoa! Yay! Success! So see, that's the elephant's toothpaste. Wow! So now these people, I put in 3 to 5 drops. In your case, you can add more. So multiple food colors can create a beautiful result. So this is now the final result, people. And if you touch the side, it is warm. So you just have to be very careful. And hydrogen peroxide, what is it? Maybe you can do a quick Google search, right? And let me know and share in your Flipgrid what it does. But overall, you should be seeing something like this. So just be very careful if you're doing this inside. Have fun with this experiment. And sometimes you might be curious, how does it feel, right? Make sure that if you touch it, you wash your hands immediately, okay, people? So this is now, I'm scooping out. It's kind of warm to the touch. See? Wow. Just be very careful.